Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to see if this light is okay. So we're going to be planning this week. I don't know. I'm having 2 weeks that I'm just not been into my planner. I don't know what's wrong, but this was the past week, and then we're going to be planning for the week of the 23rd to the 29th. And I'm back to PlannerPixieCo. I'm using snowy season, so it's gonna snow it's snowing this week. I think it's snowing right now, so this was perfect. And because this is like my last, I don't have any more like snowy kits, so I decided to use like a pixie pack as well. So we're gonna go all out this week. I feel like I need it because I haven't been filming like the way I like to. And then I got this one because I loved it, and then this is a freebie, I think. I don't know if I'm going to use all of this. I might not use this one. I don't know. This was a freebie, so I don't think I ordered it. And then this is the pixie pack. So yeah, so I am excited. Yeah, so let's get started. So yeah, I'm not going to use this one. I just feel like I don't want to use it. I might use an extender somewhere, but still don't know what I want to do. So I feel like, I don't know if I like this lighting or not. Let me know down below if you like it, if I should change it. What do you think I should do? I don't know. If I should use like more like artificial lighting. I'm not like a fan of it, but if I have to, I have to. I think this one's kind of perfect here. Yeah, I love it. Okay. I know, it's so beautiful. So I thought I had to go to work, so I woke up super early, and so the snow, it's closed. So, well, I have to work from home. It's not closed because I have to work from home. I know. I prefer working from home 100 times. I feel like I still work and then get things done at home. Compared to everyone else, I work a lot. But you know, that's something different I'm not gonna get into. But I love that. At least I get the like, obviously they want me to work from home if they want me to like, if they want, like, they could give me a snow day. They could do that, but they decide not to because it's better if I just work. So it is what it is. So I kind of want to, well, I'm going to use her here. So I'm going to use her somewhere else, but I kind of want to use her here and do it like super. Yeah, I like it. Okay. So this one's gonna go down here. So we have the plan around it. What color do I want to use? What options do we have? Let's use pink. Yeah. I feel like pink works perfectly. So yeah, so I like how hopefully this week is not that stressful. I hope I can get back like to planning because we moved like almost 2 weeks ago. So it's still been like a little stressful, like getting to used to certain things, but we are slowly getting there. So I kind of am like, okay, like we can do this. We are fine. But yeah, it's exciting to have like our own house. Like it is, we have had like a lot of stressful things already, but we're like slowly getting everything settled. We're trying not to like waste that much money because we do have to pay. So I do have to cut her a little bit here. You guys can't even see. Which is fine. I like the green anyways. I really don't want to cut her hair. I prefer cutting her here. Just that I didn't have to put this, but I felt like I needed it. So it's perfect now. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So let's just keep on going. So how do I want to, no, they're different colors. They're not even close. So it's another day with the kids here. They're sleeping, which is perfect. But I feel like they need the routine. They need it, and they're not getting it. You know, with work, like, with everything going on, they need the routine. They don't have it, and I don't know. At least they're home with us and everything, but I was gonna get my nails done today. Like, my nails are fine, but I wanted to get them done. I really wanted to get them done on, I could do them on Friday, I guess, a whole week. Yeah, why not? It is what it is. Okay, so let's start doing here. So we're gonna do work, because work is the same for my husband. It doesn't change. Well, with the weather, it still doesn't change, but he doesn't work on Wednesdays. The kids don't have school, so I kind of don't want to put that. I want to put like this green one. I get tweezers to put like they don't have school. It's weird, but I kind of really like it. Okay, so they do have school on Tuesday. And then let's put the video so that I can put the, oh my god, see, I already forgot. Oh goodness, I already forgot what I'm doing. I already forgot. I'm terrible. Yeah, this is why I never use like foil kits, because I end up forgetting. Yep, I end up forgetting. I'm terrible. I am not a good planner. Okay, let's go back to what I was doing. I wonder if it's gonna stick. I will. Okay. I was afraid it wasn't gonna stick, but it did stick. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So let me put today's video. And then Wednesday, we're just gonna be filming in the morning. I've been liking doing that. Filming in the morning. And then I have another video. Do I have? Wednesday is green, so we're good. I'm like, do I have another video? Okay. So it's gonna be a long plan with me. I just know it. I just know it. I probably won't use the cat. I'm not a cat person, so I don't feel like putting it if I'm not a cat person. I know it's weird, but that's I'm not a cat person whatsoever. Okay, let's do the next side. Perfect. And I have four no. I kind of want to do it. I like the cat. Well, I don't like the cat, but I like it because it has books and I'm reading a book, so. Okay, we can go back. So, other than that, like just with today, the schedule and Monday and Friday maybe. Because my mom has like a doctor's appointment, so not sure how I'm gonna do everything with that going on. And other than that, like, we have no plans at all. Like, we haven't been having plans, which we might go to church. Well, church on Sunday has been like our new plans, but that's pretty much it. I kind of, which one? I feel like this one's much better, so I'm gonna end up using it. I don't know what's wrong with everything that I'm doing. Like, it's not going the way I want it to go. I don't know. I don't know, because I'm just like I'm not tired because I'm fine, but I'm like out of it. I am out of all of this. I don't know what's wrong, guys. It's gonna be a so boring plan with me. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me, guys. Okay. I think it's like the Pixie pack, but I really wanted to use it, so I was like, oh, we can do this. And like with the school, like I was like planning on waking up, doing lunch and leaving it for my husband, like getting the kids ready. Like I already had a plan, so it went all down the drain, but that's fine. So let's start adding like my favorite part, like not gonna lie, is adding like these boxes. So I already know that this one's gonna go here. And this one here. Like it's just like perfect. Okay. And then I want to use this one here. And then I want to use this one like this, like the opposite. And this one here, perfect. And then here, let's see. Like this is my favorite, like not gonna lie, this is my favorite part. And then we'll put this one here. I don't know what I want to do about this one. I kind of want to, let's see, cut this a little bit. Yeah, we're like doing like a lot of sticker surgery. I'm going to keep that there, and then yeah, it's fine. I'm not gonna get too much into it. I think think it's perfect. Okay, so now let's start just like finishing everything up and just doing what I have to do next. So today is this, well, you guys see this, you guys see this on a Monday. Like, I'm not gonna change it. I was going to do my nails. Doubt that's open, so doubt I can do them today. So I have like no plans. I do want to clean. I do want to finish unpacking what I have to unpack. Like, I just want to finish that, and like that's it. For Tuesday, like, I'm gonna go to my mom's house like I usually do. I know what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna go to my mom's house. Wednesday, I have no plans whatsoever, so we're gonna do so it doesn't look bad. I usually cover them up just because I like covering them up. I don't use my Pixie thing like everyone else does it. I don't know. I don't like doing all that crap, so I don't do that. Guys, and I'm also sorry if like I sound weird, but my mouth has been killing me. I have like these, I get these a lot, like those canker sores, but like, are they called canker sores, the ones that are like inside? I get them a lot, and I have like on my inner right cheek, and it's been like killing me. I'm not gonna lie. So I've been like talking weird because it just hurts. It hurts so much. So my mom has a doctor's appointment, and I assume I'm gonna go with her to that. And then I don't know when I'm gonna do my nails, so I'm not even gonna put my nails because I don't know when it's gonna happen. So I don't even want to put it. It might end up being on like on Saturday or something. So, and then I have to film on Thursday night, and we are done like with plans like that. I'm gonna put that we're going to church. So I might like sleep in a bit. We'll put like sleep in and then church. I like that we're doing that. I really enjoy us going to church, just getting like the kids more into that, because they're not. Like, they're not, and I want them to. So let's just join like some plans. So we're gonna start putting like the work. I have like enough work scripts, which is like, I have to print more, but it's like perfect. I know. I like this new font. Like, oh no. I've been loving this new font. Like, it's just perfect. I like because it's like so dark, and I don't know. I love it. The other one was like very light, and this one you can make it perfect. Okay. And then we're gonna do preschool. We're gonna go backwards, but that's fine. And then they're only going to preschool 3 days this week. Oh, goodness. It kills me. It does. It kills me. Okay. And then plan with me. And then I'm going to put that in the finish unpacking, like what we have to unpack. I'm going to see if like I have... That's fine. I'll just put unpack like that. Like, I wanted to use... I haven't been using... Oh no, I don't have any like unpacking. Okay. And then mom's house, which is like Tuesdays and Thursdays. has a doctor's appointment. And I think, yeah. So for filming, let's see. We're going to be filming on Wednesday, Thursday, and I want to put Sunday, so let's organize it. So it looks good. Okay. And Sunday. I think I put it the other way around. It's fine. I'm not gonna get too much into it. Okay. I need some church stickers because I don't think I have any. So I'm trying to see what else. Oh, obviously we need to do the sidebar. Which oh my goodness, I just broke whatever I had in there. So we are going to do a sleep in. Which is on Sunday. I love it. So I do need some, like I said, some new scripts. I want to do my to-dos, but I kind of don't have it. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. This is from Elianaplans. I'm trying to use them all. Is it too big? I think it's perfect. So let's just start filling it out. So I have to pay bills. So our dryers, I have to figure this out in the mail. I have to figure it out because the issue that's going on is that the washing machine wasn't working. We kind of fixed it, blah, blah, blah. And now the dryer it's not drying whatsoever. Like I've tried, it's just like not drying. So I need to see what we're gonna do. Because I need to get this to dry. I need a dryer. Like we've been like, oh, it's been really stressful. So I really need to like figure out what's going and I need to fix it. Because it's driving me crazy. Like it's so bad. I don't want to go and like, I could if it worst comes, like I can always go to my mom's house and drive, but like, do I really want to do that? I really don't. So that's where we are right now. That is my situation, which is driving me crazy. It is, like, it's driving me crazy. Like, I don't know what to do. But it is what it is. So I think that's it, guys. It's really basic. I'm sorry that this was a disaster, but I liked how it came out. I did. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.